Magandang araw mga Lodi. Welcome back to another episode of Money Guru, where we talk about the financial questions that matter the most to you. Dito siguro, Money Guru. I'm with Alex Calleja here, and today we'll go through some questions from our Money Guru fans and do our best to provide helpful answers that they can actually use.
Okay, ito naman ang second question. Okay, mahalaga po ba talaga ang insurance? Hindi po ba dagdag lang sa gastos ko yan? Okay, hindi mahalaga ang insurance. Huwag ka lang lalabas ng bahay para hindi ka maaksidente or mamatay. Huwag kang magpamilya para wala kang iintinding mga educational plan whatsoever. Tapos siguraduhin mong healthy ka para hindi ka mamatay. Ang insurance, wala yan. Just stay at home, pray, and protect yourself all the time. Tama ba yon, John?
Mali! 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 Alex,
Oh, yes.
staying home, watching TV, and doing nothing, that's what you suggest?
Para hindi ka maaksidente.
Well, you know what? Some people maybe would want to listen to Alex. Maybe there's 0.0001% of you out there that will listen to him, but that's wrong advice. You don't want to stay home, waste your time, and do nothing. Anyways, insurance is very, very important because even if you're at home, something that happens, a calamity occurs, or something happens to your family members, insurance will take care of that problem. So, we sometimes don't encounter problems in our lives, so we see insurances as additional expenses. True enough, they may feel like additional expenses right now, but they are not about spending. They're about protecting those unexpected expenses like hospitalization, car accidents, other emergencies that can swipe away your savings even if you're at home. Hindi ito dagdag gastos. They are your lifeline. They are your safety net when something suddenly goes wrong.
Okay.
So, go out of your house and go to the closest Cebuana and buy insurance.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, John. I'll follow that. Buti na lang, I have a friend in you. Okay? At tamang-tama, may kalapit kaming Cebuana. Malapit lang sa car wash. Walking this, magagalit na naman yung, magagalit na naman yung may car wash. Okay.
So, omsim na omsim, Alex. Till our next episode, mga Lods, tutok lang palagi. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.